Hi guys, so we bought this Marble Racetrack on Amazon for just under £15. We weren't expecting an awful lot for the price that we paid. It came with the cardboard cut out, so basically it was all pre-cut, and what we did is there was 64 sheets of cardboard. You get the sheets and it just quite easily presses out. Each sheet's numbered and you get the sort of instructions obviously telling you what you need to do. There is some key things to follow if you do decide to buy one, and the main things to know is when you're building these towers, make sure you're checking the colours to get the right bits, and then numbering your towers. So tower 10, green, red, and then the purple bits. You'll soon get familiar with purple bits because as you go on there's a lot of them. The towers, as you're building them, like this one, you can see there that the purple bits are like the taller pieces, and then it all interlocks. So yeah, we had fun building this. It took us probably 3 days, a couple of hours each time on it, and man, we were really amazed with the results. So once it was built, the scale of it is immense. You can see marbles start up the top here, and then they go through the spiral. There's a crossroads which determines the different routes. There's a shortcut. There's lots of good little trick elements. If they come this way, they do the chicane, and then if they've gone the other way, they're into the spinner, and then it's down, and then there's another split point there. So it's pretty random as to which marble's going to win. And then at the end, to finish it, there's a really cool loop-the-loop, and then the marbles drop into here, so you can clearly see which marble got there first. So yeah, like I say, you can get this on Amazon for £15 or even less. I'll put a link in the comments, and I'll show you it in action. And here they go, all the marbles are on. Very randomly, it's going to win yellow in the lead. Green's tagging behind. Oh, Green's took a shortcut. Green's winning by a long way. So that's really here, looking for the bottom and then to finish. Green won. Start game field, we'll have a little guess as to which marble's going to win the race. So my guess is the white, it's tucked in the corner there. Theo, I'll guess. Green for Theo, he's going to release the marble. Here we go. Oh, Green's fast at the moment. Oh, but suddenly Green's shooting into the lead. What is going on? Look at the speed of Green. He's took a shortcut. Oh, Blue's first. Which Green did you have? Second or third? And now white. Okay, we're racing again. Which colour, Theo? Gold. Theo went gold. And I'm going to be white again. Okay, I'll be blue. At the same one. Oh, the blue's got stuck. It looks like I'll have a runner coming last. Oh, into the back section, then here comes down into the loop and into finish. And gold came off, and there's blue.